Hi, this is Gabby from Speedy Sep. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pattern in Illustrator. I'm going to use a vector object that I created of a taco. I'm going to go ahead and use the transform tool to create variation. Next, we're going to go and create our pattern. We're going to go to Object, Pattern, Make. Next, you may get a pop-up that says that this pattern will be added to our swatches panel. If you do get this message, just click OK. Next, it will show us what our pattern will look like as a grid. First, I'm going to rename it to Taco Pattern. Now I'll show you brick by row, brick by column, and hex by column and hex by row probably are not the best for this sort of pattern. And I'll just play around with the brick offset. So let's just play around with it until we see something that we like. Gonna increase the number of copies of our taco just to see how the pattern will look whole. And the overlap, if let's say you have multiple different icons that are going to overlap each other, that's when you would play around with that. For this, we're going with a very simple design. We're just repeating a bunch of tacos. Dimming your copies will just bring down the opacity of the copied images. Just using the tile type and the brick offset should be enough. And once you're happy with your design, we're just going to click Done. And now we're back to our original 2 tacos. And we could just move that off our artboard for now. So let's click on the swatch that we just created, and let's make a box. Now we can see that we have successfully made a pattern. I'm just going to show you how to scale our pattern. There's multiple different ways to scale the pattern. There's transforming the objects, but then also transforming the pattern. So I'm going to select the preview button just so we can see what happens with every button that we click. Transforming the pattern is going to change the size of our icons in the pattern. And transforming the objects is going to just transform the physical box that we have created. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to create a seamless pattern in Illustrator.